In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use named functions in Google Sheets. Named functions are a fantastic way to streamline your work, especially when you find yourself using the same formulas across different spreadsheets frequently. Let's dive in and explore how to set this up. First, we need to open our Google Sheet. Once you're there, shift your attention to the top menu bar. You'll find a tab labeled Data. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll notice an option for named functions. Go ahead and click on that. This is the hub where you can create new functions that suit your specific needs. Now, let's add a new function. You should see an option to Add New Function. Click that, and you'll be prompted with a dialog box. First off, let's name our function. The name will help you identify this function easily later, so it's important to choose something descriptive and relevant to the task at hand. After naming your function, it's time to add a description. This step, while optional, is incredibly helpful, especially when you or others revisit the spreadsheet in the future. A good description ensures that everyone knows what the function does at a glance. This is particularly useful in collaborative environments. Once the description is taken care of, you have the option to add argument placeholders. These placeholders are essentially variables or inputs that the function might need to carry out its task. Adding placeholders enhances the flexibility of your function, allowing it to adapt to various inputs. Next, we come to the heart of the process, typing out the formula itself. In this example, let's say we want our function to increase the value of a selected cell by 10%. To achieve this, we would multiply the cell's value by 1.1. However, there's a crucial tweak we need to make here. Instead of using exact cell coordinates, we'll replace them with the word cell. This tweak makes the function dynamic and versatile. Using a placeholder word like cell ensures that the function can work on any cell you apply it to, rather than being confined to just one specific location. Once you've entered your formula, it's time to use your new function. Simply type in the name you assigned earlier in your spreadsheet, with any arguments you've set up. And just like that, your named function operates seamlessly. With these steps, you'll have a powerful named function at your disposal, ready to use whenever you need it. Named functions not only save time, but also promote consistency and collaboration within Google Sheets by allowing various users to apply the function with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful, and look forward to seeing how you'll incorporate named functions into your own work.